Hello class, today is June the 1st, 2020 and I just want to say to be very happy. So today we're going to make a review, okay? So we're going to review first my bedroom. So please everybody repeat after me. Rug, bed, cupboard, shelf, pillow, blanket. Okay, let's go to the numbers, okay? Repeat. 1, 2, 3. Remember here in number 3, you have to put your tongue in the middle of your teeth, like 3, okay? Let's continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now remember, we say there's for one thing. Acuérdate que decimos there's cuando queremos decir que hay una cosa. Okay, so I'm going to show you this picture. I'm going to point some things and you have to say there's a and the thing, okay? For example, there's a doll. Now you, here, say it aloud. Or this one. Or here. Okay, well done. Now, remember we say there are for 2 or more things, okay? So, for example, I can say there are 3 pictures, okay? Now, again, I'm going to point and you are going to say there are and the things, okay? So here, say it aloud, remember, or this. Now here. Well done, class. Now, open your class book in page 100, okay? And write the short date on the top. Now, pay attention. This boy is going to describe his bedroom, okay? So you have to listen and read, okay? Vamos a escuchar a este niño describiendo su recámara.
139.
So you are going to listen and read. Vas a escuchar y vas a leer, ¿ok? Recuerda seguir la lectura con tu dedo y poner mucha atención en la pronunciación.
Listening 139. Listen and read.
Dear Junior Magazine, this is a picture of my bedroom. There is a bed in my bedroom. There are lots of footballs on my blanket and pillow. There is a bookshelf. I have got 12 books on my shelf. 4 books are about football. My clothes are in my cupboard. My favourite clothes are my red shorts and red t-shirt for football. I have got lots of toys and a big toy box. There is a blue rug next to my bed. There are footballs on my rug too. I like my bedroom and I like football. Bye! From Jamie. age 7.
Okay, class. Now you are going to pause the video and you are going to read it aloud. Le vas a poner pausa al video y lo vas a leer en voz alta, okay? I want to listen. Now, when you finish, play it again. And let's continue in exercise number 3. Okay? So, you are going to answer if it's true or false. Remember, true, verdad, and false, falso. So the first one, it's all done. It says, there are photos on his blanket. So it's true or false. And then continue with number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, close your class book and open your workbook. So here, open your workbook in page 100 and we are going to read a story of a girl named Lola. She's also going to describe her room. So again, listen to me and follow with your finger, okay? Hello, my name's Lola and this is my bedroom. My favorite color's purple. I've got a purple pillow and a purple blanket. Can you see my doll? She's on my bed. Her name is Polly. I've got lots of books on my shelf and lots of clothes in my cupboard. My favorite is a purple dress. And look, here are my blue shoes. I like my shoes. They are very pretty. Bye from Lola. So again, pause the video and read it aloud. De nuevo, pausa el video y lee la historia en voz alta. Now, when you finish, you are going to read the questions and match with the correct answer, okay? So, for example, number 1, what's her name? And the correct answer is letter D. Her name's Lola. Use colors to match, okay? And finally, when you finish, you're going to work here, okay? In this worksheet. So, pay attention. You are going to read these sentences, but they are incorrect. So you are going to be now the teachers and you are going to write them correctly here. ¿Ok? Vas a resolver este ejercicio. Tienes que encontrar el error porque estas oraciones están mal escritas. Y vas a imaginar que ahora tú eres la Miss o el maestro y las vas a corregir y las vas a escribir aquí abajito. ¿Ok? And now, at the end, describe your bedroom, okay? Aloud. Okay, and that's it for today, class. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Have an excellent day.